Sunday, September 1st, 2024. 22nd Sunday in Ordinary Time, Day of the Girl Child. Focus. These people honor me with their lips, but their heart is far from me. When the Jewish religious leaders accused Jesus' disciple of not following the tradition of the elders, he says they are being hypocrites who follow their own tradition rather than God's commandment of love. He reminds them of Isaiah's stern words, accusing them of lip service and calling their worship a waste of time, as it focuses on human laws rather than God's. There is nothing wrong with religious traditions. They provide a structure that can enhance our ability to pray and to participate in church services. But should this practice take precedence over God's commandment? In our parishes, much effort goes into organizing religious devotions and services, but sometimes with little attention to the spiritual benefit. I too am often content to fulfill my obligation to God, offering Him lip service and going through the form of worship, but my heart is not really in it. We celebrate feasts and novenas with pomp and grandeur. That is good, but they should also help us come close to God and to each other. Be doers of the word and not hearers only, deceiving yourselves, exhorts Saint James. Fruit. May our preparations for the exposition of the relics of St. Francis Xavier and the Jubilee not be an empty show, but a deeply spiritual exercise that attunes our hearts to God.